Students, good evening to all of you. I am your host Prem Singh Gelot and I welcome you all in the Masan English. And subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press that bell icon which will help you to know about our upcoming uploads. So this is all about that. Here I am today even without a preparation. This absolutely helped me speak English fluently. This is all that how can I speak English very confidently, and this is all without preparation. What goes in preparation? But before that, I'm going to tell you what is the advanced learning. What is advanced speaking? This is all that when you prepare anything, but whenever you try to speak, that goes on when you just simply not worry about the mistakes which are going to happen in your spoken ability, and which is even gonna give you that kind of stress and pressure. And when you feel pressure, then you can't speak English fluently, which is why that stress stops you again and again, and that stress even reminds you that you're gonna make mistake. It even allows you to think that what was your program. In some cases, we all know that we sometimes come without even a preparation. I'm gonna just show you a little difference between both things. When I feel stressless, when I'm not stressed, when I'm confident, when I'm totally free from all those rules, this simply, this helps me a lot. I speak English even fast when I think that I'm totally stressless and I'm confident. And here I'm even without preparation. Sometimes we do try very hard that today's maybe a job interview, maybe a presentation, and maybe it is a question of your personality. Whenever you are going among your family members, maybe you want to talk to your friends, then you just think so much about the grammar rules and you take care of your pronunciation. That's not gonna help you, which will even stop you from being fluent. It will never help you being a fluent speaker. This is all that it's going to remind you that what mistakes are you ever gonna make. And this reminds you again and again, and it gives you a pressure. When you are in a pressure, stress happens in your mind and it even stops you again and again from speaking fluently. Okay, so today's podcast is all about what is the advanced listening and what is advanced speaking. I'm going to discuss first about this. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is advanced speaking. Advanced speaking means you speak fluently even without a preparation. Because when you go with preparation, it helps you to go through the systems you have created in your mind. When you go with a preparation, there may be some problems. Because when you make a preparation, then go on the stage, then you're going to talk to the people, it is a very distracting. It may be distressing. How distracting? Because when you are talking to the people, your mind will work on those concepts. Your mind will be busy in the analyzing the things you remembered earlier, and it allows you to remember again and again that what you are going to mention in the next. So it doesn't allow you to be fluent. It often stops you from being fluent. How does this help you? This doesn't help you. Instead, what it does, it stops you from being fluent. Maybe some of you are not able to understand me very well, but if you listen to my podcast every single day, then you will be able to listen me well. So this is all about the advanced speaking. In order to speak English fluently in an advanced method, you just need to be preparation free. This is all that when you are totally stressless and you don't just feel even a little pressure. Because now I'm gonna tell you just one thing. If I'm here even without preparation. What I just did, I just stood a tripod before me. I hold my mobile phone. I don't just have a laptop. And what I did, I connected the microphone to the mobile and I'm just sitting on here this sofa and I'm talking to you. So this is a listening podcast. You like it, then you just need to listen this. So what goes in the advanced speaking? For advanced speaking, this is very necessary that you just need to be totally free of fear. You just need to be stressless. When you don't feel any kind of pressure, you just need to be pressure free. If you think that you are in pressure and you are just thinking about a topic and you think that you must need to mention that, then it allows you to make mistake. It often occurs in your mind. It even stops your mind and it gives you some extra work to finish that. So in this case, what goes on that you try very hard to analyze the topic you remembered earlier and then you came here with preparation, then it probably drops your fluency. All you have to do is to just let your mistakes go away. Rather, you need to focus that what is the communication topic, what topic have you chosen for the communication. And maybe in a presentation, all you have to just think about the reality that what you need to do. This is your own responsibility that how are you gonna represent your topic which was given to you. Maybe presentation has its own kind, but this is not all about the presentation. But when you give a presentation, this is necessary for you, that you just need to feel, that you don't just feel any other pressure. When you are totally pressure free, then you can simply speak English very fluently. This helps you a lot. And what is without preparation system? In this system, you know very well that you go anywhere and you speak even without a hesitation. Because sometimes hesitation often stops you from being fluent. It doesn't even allow you to speak fluently. Why? Because it often reminds you that what are you talking to, what topic have you selected, what are you ever gonna talk to, the people are standing before you. This may be really stressful, and you may be even nervous, too much nervous. And when you become nervous, then you just can't focus on the thing that you have selected for. This is really necessary for you. So all you have to do is to just think about what is going on. And apart from all this, I'm just telling you that fluency is very necessary. How fluency goes on, it depends on your mind, that how much of it do you execute.